Hey guys, this is Alan, and today we will be going over Euro USD from this week. So this is gonna be a breakdown video. The next video is gonna be the IPTA lesson that I was talking about. I took a little break, it was New Year's, Christmas, had a lot of time, spent a lot of time with family, my girlfriend. But yeah, came back right into it to see caught two nice trades on Euro USD. Very, very solid trades. I sent one of them out, which was like right here, 33260 around there. And I'll show you why I sent this one out. But the first one I want to see is this trade right here. Okay, this first trade right here. Very, very super, super solid trade. And the first thing, like I said, we're gonna do is drop into the 1 hour to start noting the new day. Right, bang, bang, bang. Okay. So these are like the midnight open, right? Or the new day opens, right? As you can see right here, Judas higher, drops lower, right? Has this huge gap right here. Okay. And I always tell you guys talk about these gaps, right? Like they need to be filled. Look at that. It's filled perfectly. Okay. And this is, little, the little brief note is this is what kind of this is what IPTA does. Okay. IPTA, which is like interbank price delivery algo, right? Noted from ICT himself. This is what IPTA does. They seek liquidity and they fill in their own inefficiencies in price and they drop low, remove the opposite direction, right? So for example, you see this and you're like, oh yeah, just a bunch of candles, like which order block you use. Very, very simple. So as you can see, this is the gap right here. All right, this is the gap. It fills it right there. It's going to 4 hour. Sitting right there. The most beautiful order block right there. Fair value gap, right? I mean, basically big imbalance, right? Or big void. Fills it, goes right into the OB. All right, I'm gonna show you guys something. So let's draw the fib. Let's see where the fib goes. All right. Right at the mean of that order block right there. Super, super solid trade. Right there. All right. And I already had my eye on this for this trade right here for a while. The thing was it moved during like after like basically like London close. And I was like, usually after London close, that's if I do this real quick, you can see it. Like this is what I saw, right? And I was like, dang, like it's staying below that mean of that OB, and all I wanted was it to not close. Okay, so I took a very, very small trade just because I knew the rest of it. This was going to go into the dead zone. This was going to like the dead zone Asian range, right? So I took a very, very small position. I think it's like 4.2, yeah, 420. Yeah, stop loss was resting above it. It was like, hey man, if it takes this out, it takes this out. But all I was targeting was this fill right here into that. That's all I was targeting. It was a very, very small position. Okay, and I'm gonna close this now. You see what happens after. Bang, right? It didn't close it above it. And as soon as I saw the spike down, I was like, oh dang, like as soon as it filled this was my first partials. Okay, this was like 80% of my trade out because I didn't know if this would just move lower to go into basically this like basic order block here and then move higher. So this was like 80% of my trade was gone here. And then I just stop loss, move to break even, let the trade run. Obviously TP me out after New York, after a new day opens, right? TP me out. I was like, all right, cool. Now I'm looking for, looking for retracement higher, right? Because if you see here, so this trade is done, okay? That would only netted me like 1%, even though it was a big trade. But if you see here, there's equal highs resting right here. Equal highs, right? This was a FOMC too, by the way, right here. Bang, FOMC. Trading price higher. And then FOMC plus, I'm gonna go on 30 minutes and show you guys what I saw here. So equal highs basically here. I don't say equal highs, but yeah, equal highs basically here on the 1 hour, as you can see, right? This wick here, and then this down candle right there. So after that, I saw this beautiful breaker just resting here. Okay. And this was the one that was like, hey, like this took out price here, came lower. All I'm waiting for prices to come up here. Okay. So as you can see, this down move right here, after New Day opens, I was like, damn, it's moving already. Like I really wanted to see it come up and take these highs out, to see take this high out basically to see if it can come up and tap in this breaker right here. And as you can see, very, very nicely, it did that right in New York, right? This was around like not basically like London kill zone, right? Slapped into it, basically almost end of London kill or London, yeah, end of London kill zone. Comes right into it, slaps it. I already sent this out. I sent this one out. I think everyone knows. Basically, like no drawdown. It was like 260, bro. Yeah, 260. That was my sell limit. I sent them. I was like, hey, take the sell here. All right. And all we're doing is targeting this OB right here. So look at the 1 hour, right? So this was the OB. You see this 1 hour OB right here? This is my target for them, right? Very, very solid trade, as you can see. All right, price wicks up, gets us in, moves around here, comes back up one more time, runs its own high here, but it never takes out the breaker right here. That's why you put your stop loss, you know, right above the breaker. You can do it above the wick if you want, but I'm gonna take it above the breaker. All right. And if you want to even see with the fib, you can. Like, let's drop from here. All right. OTE. All right. Basically everything aligns. All right. Like it's OTE right at the breaker, comes down. Beautiful trade setup. Right. And as you can see, takes this out, drops lower. All right. Runs it, goes on to the 1 hour time frame, and there you go. Very, very solid trade, right? Super easy to see. All right, super easy to see. But yeah, this was a very, very simple trade setup that I took, and I sent this out to the students. Yeah, took this out, ran it, beautiful trade. All right. And this is gonna just wrap up this video here. Just wanted to show you this trade right here, this one here and this one here. The next few days, or like tomorrow is basically NFP, so probably be out of the market, right? This would be more than enough already. Just for the week, it was a very tough week. I know I sent like 2 trades out also in the beginning of the week where it was stopped out, but this trade here basically puts us at break even, which is a very, very solid way to end the week for NFP, you know, when we're not even supposed to be trading it. But yeah, this was a very, very solid trade setup. Hope you guys saw this as well. And if you guys didn't, well, here it is. I'm showing you guys right now how it comes up, takes out the high here, taps that, runs lower a little bit, comes back up, takes this high out again, runs through it, goes down into the 1 hour OBs what I was targeting. I was going to target this low, but this 1 hour OB looked very, very strong because it just came down, hit this, like basically hit these OB, ran higher. So as soon as it came down, did this, I was like, all right, let me just get out this trade. I did not want to get hit by anything crazy going higher. All right, but that'll wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, stay safe trading if you guys are trading tomorrow. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.